The title of this project is called Explore the Moon. Now, this proposal is for a virtual reality project using Google Cardboard. The purpose of the project is to provide middle school science students with a first-person experience of the Apollo 11 moon landing. Upon completion of this project, the learners will be able to describe the physical properties of the moon, evaluate the moon landscape differs from the Earth, and analyze the effects of the moon's geography on the lunar landing module. This lesson will function as part of a unit-long module on the 50th anniversary of the Apollo 11 moon landing. Students will be able to tour the lunar landscape while they learn about the properties of the moon. The key locations within it will have interactive hotspots containing written information as well as a few audio clips from the original moon landing. Now, as the student steps into the virtual world and walks across the surface of the moon, they'll see the lunar lander along with a hotspot that appears. When they click that hotspot, they will be able to hear actual footage that was recorded during the original mission to the moon.
Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Virtual reality is a very valuable tool for classroom and for learning and training, but it can be very difficult to use and it can be cost prohibitive. I chose the Google products because they are easy for anyone to use and it's very, very cost effective. Using the Google Expeditions Tour Creator, any teacher or even student could create a virtual reality project. The final product is viewed on a smart device running the Google Cardboard app through a Google Cardboard viewer, which either the students can make or they can be purchased for between $5 and $15. With this project, my goal is to lift the Apollo 11 moon landing from the pages of history and allow the learners to experience the event in virtual reality. VR pushes the envelope by creating this alternate reality that will allow that student to learn about the Apollo 11 mission by essentially walking alongside those astronauts on the surface of the moon.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.